Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, today I am introduce you a new sound Z. This is sound Z. 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 Z is like a zebra crossing or Z is like a zigzag. Zig, zag. Z. This is sound Z. Z is like a zigzag. Okay, children, this is sound Z. Okay, kids. Now I am going to tell you about the vocabulary of sound Z. Z. Z0. Z0. Z zip. Z zip. Z zebra crossing. Z zebra crossing. Z zebra. Z zebra. Z zigzag. Z zigzag. Z zoo. Z zoo. Z zip. Z zip. Z zero. Z zebra crossing. Z zebra. Z zigzag. Z zoo. Z. Children, this is your new phonic language series book 2. Now open at page number 65. Children, in this page you will trace the sound Z and read the vocabulary of sound Z. Z zebra, Z zoo, Z zero. Z zebra, Z zoo, Z zero. And color the all picture. And now you will trace the sound Z. Z is like a zebra crossing. Z is like a zebra crossing. Z. Okay, children, you will complete this page at home. Now, children, open at page number 70. Children, in this page, we say the sound Z and write by yourself. Z. First, you will read the sound Z and write here sound Z. Z is like a zebra crossing. Z is like a zebra crossing. Z. Z. And read the vocabulary of Z. Z zebra, Z zero, and Z zoo. And color the all picture. Okay, children, you will complete these 2 pages at home in the guidance of your parents. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.